Did you know? Python doesn't support the traditional do-while loop found in many other programming languages. Curious to know why? Let's uncover the reason together. In most languages, a do-while loop guarantees that the code block executes at least once, no matter what. On the other hand, a while loop checks the condition first and only runs if the condition is true. So, what's Python's take on this? Python believes in simplicity and readability. Adding a do-while loop isn't necessary because the same functionality can be achieved with just a while loop. Here's how it works. Let's say you want the code to run at least once. You can use an infinite while true loop combined with a conditional break statement like this. Simple, right? This approach avoids unnecessary complexity and keeps Python clean and intuitive. After all, simplicity is what makes Python so powerful. So, the next time you're writing a loop in Python, remember, you don't need a do-while. Python has a smarter, more elegant way of handling it. Found this explanation helpful? Don't forget to like this video and share your thoughts in the comments below. See you next time.